Are you feeling frustrated about pigmentation, wrinkles or sagging skin? So you're not alone. Aging is inevitable for all of us, but looking older doesn't have to be. So please stay tuned because we're about to explore innovative solutions that can really rejuvenate your skin and give you back your confidence. Hello and welcome to our weekly newsletter. Hi, I'm Dr. Sunny Desi, GP, aesthetic medicine doctor, and also with a special interest in women's health. This is our summer edition. If you're watching back, maybe it's the depths of winter and you're watching this back on YouTube. This is our weekly newsletter. We call it Vysana Life. I'm in my clinic in Rutland, in Oakham, where we do lots of treatments, whether it's more on the private medical side or whether it's more skin-based. Our aim is to help you look and feel better. If you haven't already subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please do, and also check us out on Instagram, LinkedIn, and also what's the other one? TikTok. How could I forget that? So what have I got in store for you this week? We are going to talk about some concerns that many people have, whether it's men or women. We treat predominantly women here. Our focus is on women's health. It starts from the skin and we work our way within. So one of the things that a lot of patients get concerned about is sagging skin, seeing more jowling happening, lines, deep lines appearing, volume loss, especially late 30s, during perimenopause periods in sort of the 40s. You know, why is it that my skin is sagging, it's dull, it's losing its glow, what can I do about it? That's the questions that are raised when patients come to clinic. Are you feeling frustrated about pigmentation, wrinkles or sagging skin? So you're not alone. Aging is inevitable for all of us, but looking older doesn't have to be. So please stay tuned because we're about to explore innovative solutions that can really rejuvenate your skin and give you back your confidence. Are you noticing changes in your skin that are affecting your confidence? Whether it's pigmentation, age spots, sunspots, sagging skin, fine lines or wrinkles. These are signs of aging and they affect both men and women. For our focus here in clinic is predominantly women's health, but we do treat men as well. So what I'd like to introduce you to is our Tribella system. So it's a solution designed to rejuvenate your skin and restore a more youthful appearance. So as we age, our skin undergoes a variety of changes. Pigmentation issues like sunspots and uneven skin tone can start to emerge, making the skin look dull and tired. And at the same time, the skin's elasticity, pinching my chin there, decreases, leading to sagging and the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. So these concerns are quite common. They affect a lot of people, but they don't have to be permanent. So here I'm holding up an IPL handpiece. This is actually our 515 nanometer handpiece. And what this can do, or IPL, so I should explain, it stands for intense pulse light. And what this can do is it can help to rejuvenate skin by targeting pigmentation. It can target small capillaries or little what we call thread veins. And it helps to rejuvenate the skin by stimulating fibroblasts to produce more collagen. So the end of it is what we're aiming for is rejuvenated, tightened skin where the elasticity is improved. And it's going to give you a more youthful contoured appearance. So one of the other hand pieces on here is the fractional, and what that does is it doesn't the little needles don't penetrate the skin, they sit on top, and it helps with scars, imperfections and blemishes as well, or scars from blemishes I should say. So if you want a smoother complexion, a firmer complexion, maybe injectables aren't the thing for you, what I'd recommend is maybe exploring some energy-based devices. Ours is the Tribella, made by Versa. Very versatile, 3 treatments in one, and we can customize that approach. I can customize that approach for you. Very little downtime, a few days, pigmentation might come out, might have a little bit of swelling. There are risks and side effects with all treatments, and I'll always discuss those with you if you are coming into clinic. So what I would recommend for those sort of concerns, about surface skin concerns, fine lines, is definitely consider an energy-based device treatment like our Tribella. So don't let aging skin hold you back. There's always a choice, there's always an option. The first step is to get educated about what kind of treatments are available to tackle those issues, and it's all about creating a treatment plan that's tailored to you. So if you ever see anyone, you get a consult with anyone, always make sure that that plan is tailored for you. The treatments may be sort of what we say generic, it's off the shelf, but they can be customized for you to give you that confidence back. Thanks very much for watching.
And I'm Dr. Sunny Desi. If you haven't already subscribed to our
the Vysana Life newsletter on YouTube, please do. Any comments about what you've just seen, feel free to comment whether you like it, whether you don't like it. I always appreciate feedback. Thanks very much for watching, and that is this week's newsletter from Vysana Life.